What else we could talk about? Oh, the WNBA. Yo, they causing a lot of motherfuckers. They making a lot of noise, y'all. Yeah, they All-Star weekend this weekend. And they've been going viral. The All-Star weekend, they've been going viral. The girls taking shots, drinking the Hennessy out the bottle. They driving a motherfucking boat. They went on the court wearing shirts, pay us what you owe us, and pay us what we deserve. Damn right, pay them. And damn right, have fun. Damn right, do whatever you want to do. Niggas in the NBA do it. What's the difference? Women been fighting with equal rights ever since the 40s and the 50s. There ain't no shit to stop it now. There ain't no shit to stop it now. Shout out to the WNBA, the president, the coaches, the team owners, and the players represent. We watching,